Good morning, children. Today we are going to do revision of Unit 2 Bird Talk. New words: robin, jay, garden, people, grow, feathers, beetles, wings, funny, wires. Please learn these new words also. It may be acts as missing letters. Now we'll do the meanings. Beetles, 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 small insects. Wires, metal. Funny, interesting. Funny, interesting. Now we'll do the question answers. Answer the following. Name the two birds in the poem. Robin and Jay. What is the answer? Robin and Jay. What are the three things that people can't do? The three things that people can't do: they can't grow feathers, they can't eat beetles, they can't sit on wires. Question 3. What do birds think of people? Birds think that people are funny creatures because they differ from them in many ways. Means birds, because we are talking about birds only. So dear children, you have to learn new words also and meanings also, and answer the following. Everything you have to write in your notebook with neat and good handwriting. Now we will do choose the correct. Now we'll do write the correct option A, B or C or D in the box. What is the first one? Name the two birds in the poem. Name the two birds in the poem. Bird Talk poem is there. In that poem, we have to name two birds which the poet was talking about. So, A, jay and cuckoo. B, crow and jay. C, robin and crow. D, robin and jay. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is D, robin and jay. And we'll write D over here. It is robin and jay. 2 number. Where were the birds talking? Where were the birds talking? In school, in the garden, in the zoo, in the nest. So where were the birds talking? In the garden. So we'll put a tick and we'll write B over here. The correct answer is B. 3 number. The birds were thinking about the way. The birds were thinking about the way people eat. A number. B, people think. C, people grow. D, people talk. So what is the correct answer? C, people grow. So we written C over here. 4 number. People don't like sitting on A, wires and things. B, benches and things. C, table and chairs. D, wires and trees. So what is the correct answer? A, wires and things. So we will write A over here. A, wire and things. 5 number. People don't grow blank. So answer is wings. We'll see what is the answer. A, tails. B, wings. C, feathers. D, beak. So what is the correct answer? B, wings. So we'll put a tick over here. We have to write wing spelling here in the blank, and we will write B over here. So B. 6 number. Beetles are insects. A, birds. B, insects. C, people. D, animal. What is the correct answer? Insects. So we have written B over here, insects. And we have to write here in the blank also insects. 7 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with J? A, think. B, day. C, wing. D, grow. What is the correct answer? B, day. So we will write over here B. Rhyming word goes with J is B. We'll go to the next page. Which word in the poem rhymes with J? Which word in the poem rhymes with J? A. Think. B. Day. C. Wing. D. Grow. So with J, which word rhymes? D. B. D-A-Y. Day. So we have written B over here. B. Now we'll do 8 number. Which word in the poem rhymes with no? A. Grow. B. Way. C. Wing. D. Funny. So no, grow. A number. So we'll write A over here. A number. 9. Which word in the poem rhymes with wings? So A. Beetles. B. Feathers. C. Things. D. Robin. So what is the correct answer? C. Things. So we'll write C. Wings, things. Which word in the poem rhymes with way? A. Robin. B. No. C. Grow. D. J. So what is the correct answer? D. J. So way, J. So D answer, J is the correct answer. So we'll write D over here and we'll tick on J. So which word in the poem rhymes with no? No goes with grow. Wings go with things. Way goes with J. Now we'll go to the next page. Write 2 rhyming words. What we have to do? We have to write 2 rhyming words. D-A-Y, day. So 1 number we'll write B-A-Y, bay. 2 number S-A-Y, say. 2 number think. T-H-I-N-K, think. So B-L-I-N-K, blink. S-I-N-K, sink. 3 number funny. So 1 number B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. 4 number eat. So 1 number M-E-A-T, meet. N-E-A-T, neat. 5 number ring. R-I-N-G, ring. T-H-I-N-G, think. K-I-N-G, king. So, dear children, please do this exercise in your notebook as a revision work with your neat and good handwriting. Thank you.